Video call with ChatGPT. Hi everyone. We've built a real-time video friend assistant called Annie. And we just released the first version. Annie can help as a tutor on any topic, chat about your day, or help you practice any conversation. She can also check the weather and perform basic web searches. The original image of Annie's face was generated with Midjourney, and her expressions and lip movements are animated on device in real time to match the generated speech. Right now, the content of what she says is generated by ChatGPT. If Annie's answers are too long, you can interrupt her. If you need her to pause so you can think, say hold on. You can say can you search the web to trigger web search mode. This is also available in the conversation menu. Hope you enjoy speaking with Annie. Let us know what you think in the comments.